Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Hardy brooms are very easy to grow and they come in a whole range of colours. That's a lovely peach colour there. And when you look here then, other colours. And there are a whole range of colours in the web shop, have a look. And reliable, and they grow in any sort of reasonable soil. Now this variety here, it's a really bright orange, just come Apricot Gem, just the fragrance is wonderful, just starting to come into flower at the moment. Normally keep them to a height of about a metre high or so. You see the flowers just starting to open. They're adored by bees and pollinators, really tough, hardy, reliable plants. They're in the section of the web shop called For Plants That Thrive on Total and Utter Neglect. Now to plant this lovely broom, Apricot Gem, decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive at the bottom, with swell well compost and soil on top, and the same banking around, and it's fairly forgiving. It doesn't matter any reasonable soil type, it'll do well. And when the flowers are finished in a couple of years' time, it just needs a little light trim. And Peter Robin has come to approve our plant of the day today. So plant of the day today is a broom called Apricot Gem and can be planted from now. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.